Hello, how are you? Fine? Excellent. Today we are going to work in grammar. Do you remember what is a noun? Yes? Okay. A noun is a person, a place, animal, or thing. Okay, we are going to work on the page number 72, language. Okay, page number 72, language. Okay, nouns. Okay, toys. A noun can be a person, a place, a thing, or animal, como lo vimos. Okay, toys are things. Los juguetes son cosas. Okay, it's a thing. So toys are nouns. Okay, excellent. And what do we have here? Oh, we have a rocket, car, a doll, robot, plane, teddy bear, submarine, ball, train, and dinosaur. Do you have one? Yes? ¿Tienes uno? Okay, I know that you have it. Okay, what you have to do here is write the names of the toys in the boxes below. You are going to copy, okay, the names of the toys and you are going to write them here. Vas a copiar los nombres de los juguetes y los vas a colocar acá en los espacios en blanco. Okay. If you have any questions or concerns, let me know by platform or by email and I'm going to give you assistance. And remember, you are a hard worker, okay? Have a nice day. Goodbye.